Hey everyone, my name's Palmer Prim and I'm going to walk you through pairing it to your actual device. So I have an iPad here, but you could also pair it to your phone or other tablet. So step one in controlling it with your device is going to be to download the Bond Home app. Once you've got the Bond Home app installed, go ahead and open that up. You're going to have to create a Bond Home account. I've already done that, but you're going to need to put a username and password and remember those credentials for later in the process. After you've logged into your Bond Home account and you go to the main screen here, you're going to click that plus icon in the top right corner. This is going to add your new device, which is the fan, and you select the Smart by Bond option here in the center of the screen. Then you're going to follow these instructions that are showing up here on the app. It says go to your Wi-Fi settings. So you'll exit the Bond Home app and go to your settings. And you're going to look for a Wi-Fi that's called Bond Config and go ahead and select that Wi-Fi. Then you're going to go back to the Bond Home app after you've selected that Wi-Fi, and you're going to need to wait for the Wi-Fi to actually pair. Next, you're going to hit continue. Okay, the next step is to test your device. So you'll toggle the lights and make sure that your light on your fan turns on, as well as you can toggle the fan to make sure that the fan turns on. If it does, you can confirm yes, it works, and move on to the next step. You can add your fan and fan light to a location and give it a name. Here we'll call it Progress Fan. Next, it's going to connect to the Wi-Fi. So go ahead and select the Wi-Fi that you'd like to pair with. This would be your home Wi-Fi or whatever Wi-Fi you are using. Your fan is now successfully configured and you can hit done. Here's the icon here, so if you select the Progress Fan icon, you now have the ability to control the light on and off, as well as controlling the percentage. You can turn the fan on and off here. Select speed 1, 2, or 3. The icons at the bottom show some timer options where you can set the fan to time off after 1 hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. This only works with the fan. You also have the breeze mode options, which randomly cycles the speed of the fan. Okay, so now your fan is set up on the Bond Home app and you can control it with your device. If you would also like to control it with your voice via Amazon Alexa or Google Home, you can also do that. To do that, we're going to walk you through the Amazon Alexa option today. So first, if you have an Amazon Alexa device, you would go to the App Store and download it. And you would open the Amazon Alexa app after you've downloaded it, create an account, username and password. And then the next step is to link your Bond Home app account to your Alexa account, and you do that by going to the Skills section in the Alexa app. So you'll click the More tab on the bottom. You're going to select the Skills and Games and go to the Bond Home skill, search for that, and select the Bond Home skill, Enable to Use. Then input your credentials, your username and your password of your Bond Home account in here, and then verify that. And now your Bond Home account is linked to your Amazon account. So all devices set up through your Bond Home account will now also be registered on your Amazon Alexa app. So it'll automatically take you to Discover Devices. So select Discover Devices and it'll look for your Progress Fan. Okay, now it's found all devices and we're setting up the Progress Fan device. So we'll set that up. You can add to a group or skip this step. So Progress Fan is set up and ready to use now. Then we go back to the Progress Fan Lite and set up that device. And now that's ready to set up as well. That's all the devices that we're setting up. So I'll go back to the device section and select the Progress Fan and Progress Fan Lite. And one tip is to make sure that the fan and the light do not share any common words in their names. So I'm just going to change the Progress Fan Lite to just say light, so that the fan is Progress Fan and the light is just light. And in the Alexa app here, you can also turn the power off and on and adjust the brightness. You can go to the Progress Fan device and turn the power off and on, as well as adjust the speed. Your fan is now ready to use voice control, so here's some examples of some commands you can give to Alexa. Alexa, turn the light to 80%. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, turn the Progress Fan to speed 2. Alexa, turn off the Progress Fan. For setup support, access the Help Center in the Bond Home app. So you'll get there by going to the Settings section here in the bottom and clicking Help Center. And there you can chat with support and get any setup support you might need.